Hi YouTube, direct from the flight deck. This is more like one of the latest urgent news just came out this afternoon, that the termination of the merger agreement between Frontier and Spirit. Well, this merger deal has been announced 6 months since the February of this year, and then JetBlue joined the bid from April. So since then, all our employee, I cannot speak with the other airline, but at Spirit, I would say most of our employee feel pretty mental stress out from this because the unpredictable future of Spirit airline here. So today, they score out a little bit that the Frontier and Spirit both announced the merger has been terminated because the shareholder on both company, especially on I guess Spirit side, disagree of this merger. So what I have learned from this merger as an employee, I guess there's not much we can do because going through merger by yourself is not really our business. Neither we can vote on it in favor or not. However, the shareholder, you can become the shareholder of your company by buying your company stock if your company is a public trade company like Spirit and Frontier. So in this case, as I speak to lots of my co-workers, they do hold some of the Spirit stock, and they did have the right to place a vote on this. So like airline employee, we are on a seniority base. We're on a seniority list. Most of our employee, if we get hired into a major airline or legacy airline, we are going to stay at the same company pretty much until we retire if that business is not going out of business. So we want a company to success, and we want our company to strong. So by placing a vote, we are part of the team that will decide the future of the company. Well, that's what I have for today. Spirit will continue to talk to JetBlue and see if they can reach agreement to allow JetBlue to acquire Spirit, so we'll become one company. Or there's another possibility is Spirit will remain Spirit, so it's not going to merge with anybody. Either decision, I don't know how long it's going to take, but there's a lot to digest today just for this news. And I will see you here next time, direct from the flight deck.